This is my 1958 Cessna 175, modified for backcountry operations. Today, we're going to have a tour, and I'm going to talk to you about why I purchased this airplane over all of my other options. The 175 was originally designed to be a step-up model for 172 owners who weren't quite ready to make the jump to a 182 or something in the 2 series. If something breaks while I'm out in the backcountry, I'm far more likely to be able to find someone who can work on the aircraft, and parts are going to be much easier to come by than with something esoteric. These days, many of these airplanes have been converted to O360s utilizing a constant speed propeller like this one coming from a Mooney. Now, if you're a pilot who's already familiar with the platform, you might notice this is not a prop from a Mooney. And you're right. This is one of the big modifications that allow this airplane to be very good at off-airport operations. This is the Hartzell Trailblazer 80-inch composite off-airport backcountry propeller. This prop gives me extra thrust, has no limitation on operational RPMs, and is extremely lightweight. The other 2 major modifications that allow me to operate backcountry are the heavy-duty nose fork and McFarlane shimmy damper, and the large tires. I'm running Air Classic 8.5 by 6s. They give me fantastic clearance, and in conjunction with the spring gear that were standard on the aircraft, give me a nice soft arrival. Thanks for joining me today. Next, we're going to take it up, fly somewhere fun, and share some adventures. Like if you do, subscribe if you haven't. Let's go fly.